Dancers will stay on their feet for an entire 24 hours. Activities will include dancing, sports, video games, live music, and lots more. All crammed into 24 hours of fun to help in the cycle.